Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to show you my dog. He's got back in, laid down in the bed, and he decides where he's going to plant himself. Sammy, what are you doing? Yeah, usually he sleeps by my feet, and today I think he decides he can sleep right here. Hey, don't do that on camera. That's gross. That's gross. He doesn't like his feet being touched, so. Oh. I'll be nice. He doesn't like it. I don't know why. Oh, I made him mad. Now he's gonna leave. It's like, oh, you're gonna come back? You're gonna come back? It's supposed to be the world's cutest puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here, Tibbers. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile. 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 Oh. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile. Oh, Tibbers. Smile. Oh. Come here. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, you can give me kisses now? Hold on, these speakers are driving me nuts. I'll plug it in a second. Sorry, there's no way because I don't have a laptop right now, so just make deal with that for a few seconds. Anyway. Back here, puppy. Oh. Yes. 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 Oh. Ooh. I think the reason why he doesn't like his back feet being touched is because when he was a puppy, we were clipping him one time. We had these really crappy clippers that we had when we had our first dog, and we cut him too short once. And at the time, we didn't really know that you're not supposed to cut it that short. And they started bleeding, and I guess it really hurts them. So, we didn't do it on purpose. It was an accident. But now, he won't let us cut his clippers or his nails. We have to get different clippers. He doesn't mind his front being touched, but look how long they are. It's okay, little puppy. Oh, yes. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Okay, give me a kiss. Come here. Come here, puppy. Oh. Look. Say hi to the nice people. Okay, I won't touch him. Okay, you're being a little mean. You're being a little mean. I was just teasing him. Oh. What's that? What's that? What's that? Who is that? Do you hear him? Do you hear him? Do you hear him? What is that? You want to kiss the camera? Is that the camera? Oh. He's getting mad at himself. That's weird. Can you see yourself? That's you. Goofball. Oh, he's gonna get you. Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Okay. Oh, you kiss her. Or is it? You kiss her. You kiss her. Oh, you kiss her. Oh. He thinks that's weird. He's never done that before. You guys are the first to get to see that. Oh. He's gonna kiss ya. Kiss the puppy. Oh. Oh. He's such a big baby. Oh. Oh. That's you, goofball. That's you. See? Oh. He kissed it. That's you. Alright. Anyway, guys. I guess Osama bin Laden was announced dead today. I mean, I'm happy because I'm American. Are you happy too because you're an American? But you're not. You're half and half. he's like half Mexican and half black. So we call him half and half. Well, I guess he's got some white in him. My friend made that up a long time ago. He's like, because I had a girlfriend, her dad was white and her mom was Mexican. He called her half and half. At the time, it was funny, but then again, I ended up breaking up with her because she hated him and stuff. But you know, bros before hoes. Not now, because me and him we're not cool anymore. So, but my puppy and me are. You're all I need, huh? You're all I need, huh? Yeah. Give him a high five. Oh, good boy. Anyway, guys, it's about midnight, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. Got some shit to do. Maybe I'll record some of it. But anyway, world's cutest puppy. Oh. I woke him up, so he's kind of being mad. You just give me a kiss. Kiss. Okay, one more. One more. One more. One more. Oh. Okay, get out of here. Go lay down. Anyway, guys, we'll see you later. Sorry about yesterday's video. I was super tired. So, anyway, tomorrow I'll hopefully have some new footage up. And take care, guys. And I'm gonna call this video, I think, A Puppy's Attack. Anyway, peace out, guys. Later.